Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida and welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I'm clearly not making any noise, it's because I forgot to make sure my microphone was plugged in all the way. So when I went to edit this video, there was pure static. And as you can see, I look mad cute, and I had this whole cute little spiel with the little pamphlet about heaven and hell and my little devil poker. And yeah, that didn't happen. So this video is a little last minute Halloween for all the lazy girls out there who did not prepare ahead of time for Halloween, like myself. And it's a little something you can pull together on the fly. So stay tuned and you can see how I achieve this look.
Yeah, alright, got me make some paper, yeah. Alright, got me make some paper, boy.
All right, y'all, here is the finished look, looking quite cute, quite devilish, real quick, real simple. And yeah, I loved it. I think this came out really good. I think if you're definitely in a pinch and you just looking for something real cute and simple, you could just throw this on and go. As you saw, it is only one eyeshadow and one cream gel liner. And if you like, you don't even need the cream gel liner. I decided to just use that as a base to make sure everything stuck. I got the little heart-shaped red jewels from Michaels, and I got my little devil horns from Party City. So yeah, something real simple, like I said, and good for the last minute gals who just don't have time or don't really know what to do when it comes to Halloween. I got the inspo from my girl Jill, who you guys saw her 2 videos back. She had these horns and she was planning on doing a devil look for her personal Halloween costume. I doubt I'm gonna wear this on Halloween, but she just kind of gave me the inspo for something that would be great to throw together for someone like me who's like, I don't know what to do. I'm just saying here that if you're going to get these jewels, I got mine from Michaels. I hate these ones with the adhesive, but you know, you got to work with what you got. Definitely get a wax pencil. I got mine for like $7 and change from Amazon. So I will leave prices to everything down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.